Welcome to the Scots virtual religious service, where we read the Old and New Testament from Welcome to the Scots virtual religious service, where we read from the Doric Old and New Testament. Welcome to the Scots virtual religious service, where we read from the Aul and New Testament, rendered in Doric by Gordan M Hay, available through doricbooks.com. As a part of encouraging and admonishing one another to ideal works and acts of love. We'll open and begin with musical composition, or Psalm number 34. Al I bless the Meester, there will never be a minute van his praise is nae in my mou. My sentient being will esteem the Meester. As Sarah comat, will hear out and be glad. Tell along we ma, fu great the Meester is. Laat his rees out his name agither. I sought the Meester's help, and he answered ma. He loused ma for all my fears. Them fall yoke to him for help are lifted up. They'll never look as gin they are affronted. His pure body cried out to a Meester, for heard him and loused him for all his tribbles. The send o' a Meester sets a guard on all them for dread a Meester, and saves them. Taste, sign, and see at the Meester is glad. Happy are them for trust in him. Fear a Meester, all you, his pure folk, 'cause them for fear him went for Nathan. Lions myth grow wike and hungert, but them for fear a Meester went for glad gear. Come awa, my bairnies, hearken till ma, and I'll learn ye a fear o' a Meester. Fatna een amo ye lose life and hopes to see mony glad days. Hold your tongue for coarse speck, and your lips for tellin' lies. Hold clear o' all that's coarse and de glad. Sick peace and hold at it. A Meester's keepin' his een on a riches, and his lugs hearken to their cry. A Meester sets his face counter them at de ill, say at the warl will soon forget them. Van the riches cry out, a Meester hears them, and louses them for all their tribbles. A Meester's never far awa for a broken hearted, and he saves them for spirits are doughy. A glad living myth be sair for folken, but the Meester louses them for all ill. He looks after ilka bean o' their bodies. None of them are broken. The coarse will get their sarin for their coarseness. Them for hate the riches will get fits comin' till them. A Meester will save his ain, and neen for lippen till him will be brought to crockanation. We'll continue our read with Hebrews from the New Testament. Escriving of Paul to Hebrews, chapter 1. In the olden days, I'll make this spot to our forebears, through it prophets, many times, and in mony different wise. Nowadays, he's spoken to us through his sin, for he has made heir to all things, and through for he's made all creation. His sin is a brickness or a stem o Almighty, on the very image o himself, holding up a hale world by a word o his poor. After he'd been washing awa all our Ildians, he sat himself down at Almighty's richt hand, raised up a being of very sins, 'cause his name is greater nor theirs. Almighty never said to nae send, "You're my loony, I'm a chiel for father ye." Nor did he say, "I'll be a father to him, and he'll be my loony." On mere, when he fesses his allest bairn into a whirl, he says, "Let all the sins o' Almighty worship him." And this is fit he says about the sins. Almighty mocks his sins winds, and his servants flames of fire. But he says to his sin, "Your throne, Almighty, is forever and ever, and the scepter of Jesus is a scepter of your kingdom. Your lue fits richt, and hate fits wrong. Say Almighty, your Almighty, his anointed ye, with the isle of gladness of being all others." And he says, "You, Maester, at the off-go, have laid a foun o' a whirl, and the heavens are a work o' your hands. They'll pass by, but they'll bide. Like clays, they'll grow all, and like a cote, you'll fall them up, and they'll be changed like clays, but they'll endure for aye. Your years will hae nae end." But when did he ever say to ony of the sins, "Sit up my richt hand, till I mock your face a fit still"? Are the sins nae bit spirits in the service of Almighty, sent out to serve him for or to heir Almighty's salvation? Chapter 12 of Hebrews. Say we maun hold on all a mair to fit we've been tilt richt gate, for fear we drift awa fit. 'Cause gin a message, gin through the sins was richt, say at ony I didn't abide bit, or haud we it, would get fit was comin' till them. Fu can we win out gin we dinna pay attention to a salvation at's offered till his nowadays. His salvation was first announced through a word o' a Maester himself, and them for heard it telt his eens about it. And Almighty his proving fit they've telt is be signs and winners and fairlies, on all kind and be hansel o' a pure spirit, all working out his ain will. Almighty didn't pit the world at still to come under a control o' the sins, and that's a world we're speaking about. But somebody ain't said, "Fit's a man at ye mind on him, or a sinner man at ye visit him. Ye made him a wee bitty aneth the sins. Ye crooned him wi' esteem and honour, and ye sat him o'er a work o' your ain hands, and ye put all things in servitude aneth his fate." Tak heed at he says all things under a rowel o' man. He left naething out, but we dinna yet see all things under his rowel. Fit we see is Jesus, for a wee filey made laker nor the sins, subject to pain and death, say at we myth, that he myth, we Almighty's mercy, taste death for his all. Nu crowned we esteem and honor. It was bit richt at Almighty, for created all thing. In fessen money, sins to esteem, should mock a laird of them all. A perfect laird, through all fiat he suffered. A lad at mocks folk pure, and them at are made pure, are een and the same. And he's nae affronted to call them his ain folk. Says he, I'll speak out your name to my ain folk. The midst o' a Doric callings, I'll sing your praise. And he says, I'll put my trust in him. And again, look at this. Me and the bairnies Almighty has gien ma. Just as the bairnies are flesh and bleed, he took on flesh and bleed. Say that through his death he might destroy them for his poor o' death. That's to say, a deal himself. And say he might set loose them for all their lives were bound in chains. We being feared o' death. It's true to say that he didna turn out to be a sin, but a human being, een o' a bairns o' Abraham. He had to be made as same as his brothers in ilka appearance, say he might be a merciful and faithful high priest in all things relating to Almighty, and at the same time to bring about at Almighty would forgie all folks ill deeds, 'cause by why o' his ain suffering under temptation, he can help all them far tempted. Hebrews chapter 3. Say then, my friends in Almighty, ye fa have a part in a heavenly calling. Think on the apostle and high priest of our faith, the anointed Jesus. He was faithful to them for appointed him, just as Moses was faithful in the house of Almighty. His child was counted worthy of more esteem nor Moses, just as a child at bigs a house gets more honor nor a house itself. Ilka house is bigot by somebody, but the child for bigot all thing is Almighty. Moses was surely faithful in all his duties in Almighty's house, a good servant, but all he did was tell if it would be spoken after him. But the anointed is faithful as a sin, set our Almighty's house, and we're all at house, gin we hold fast to keep up our hopes steadfast till a hiner een. Say, as a pure spirit says, a day, gin ye hear his voice, dinna be thrown as your forebears were, when they were tempted in the rock country. For your fathers tempted and tested me, and saw fit I deen for 40 year. I was nae weel pleased wi' that folk, and says, they aye mock mistakes in their hearts, but they didna ken my ways. Say I swear in my wrath, they winna win in to my wrist. Take heed, my friends, for fear there be in ony o' ye a coarseness o' heart at disna believe and turns awa fae a living Almighty. Help een anither to stand fast i' the faith ilka day, when it's still called a day. For fear ony o' ye be ta'en in by a lees o' ill dean, 'cause we share wi' Christ or the anointed, all that he is for is. As long as we hold till the end, A trust we see out we. Is as fit the scripture says. A day, gin ye hear his voice, dinna be thrown like your forebears. On fa was it at bit rebelled. All them fa come out o Egypt wi Moses. Fa was he raced we for 40 year. We them fa hidna behaved themselves, on fa's beans dropped doon deed I the rock contra. On fa did Almighty say would never win in till his wrist. Was it nae a folk fa didna believe him? Say, ye see, yet they couldna win in, 'cause they didna believe. Hebrews chapter 4. Now, is same promise o rest is offered tis a day. Say be careful ye dinna fall short o it. We hid a great sin preach it tis, just as they hid. But they didna do them muckle greed, 'cause though they heard it, they didna talk wi it. We fa believe, div win till at rest. As he said, as I vowed in my rage, they'll never win in till my rest. Even though our works were finished for a creation of our world. Does a scripture nae say some why, or a seventh day? On Almighty rested on a seventh day for all his work. Does the scripture nae say some why, or a seventh day? And Almighty rested on a seventh day for all his work? In not very bit of scripture we read, they'll never win in till my rest. No, some mon win in, and 'cause them for first heard a message didna win in, 'cause they didna talk wi it. Almighty sets out another day. Bonnie says through David, mony years after, a day, just as he said a day afore. A day, gin ye hear his voice, dinna be thrown. Gin Joshua had gien them rest, Almighty wouldna hae spoken after hine o another day. There's sign, a rest for Almighty's folk. On a chill fa gangs in till at rest is restin' for his ain work. Just as Almighty is restin' for his. We maun do all that we can to win in till at rest, for fear only chill fall until his unbelief we've spoken about. A word o' master's alive and powerful, and as sharp as a twa-edged sword, cutting straight through for a sentient being on a spirit meet, for a giants on a marrow come together. It works out a very thoughts and products o' a heart. There's nae beast in all creation I can hide fae Almighty. All things naked, and lies open afore a sick to him for we have to do we. Seeing sign, we have a great high priest, fa's one in till a emaist heaven, Jesus, a son o' Almighty. Let's hold firm till we're faith, 'cause we hinna got the high priest at canna sympathize we were weaknesses. He himself was tempted, we all a temptations we have, but he wasna ta'en in by them. Say lot is, boldly approach a throne of mercy, say we can get mercy, on fin grace or mercy to help in a time o' wind. Hebrews chapter 5. Ilka heek priest is teen for among men, and appointed on behalf of men, for things to do we almighty, to offer hansel and sacrifices for ildians. He mon hae patience we them at our nae will learnt, on them for young a bitty off a rails, 'cause he kens he himself can suffer for human likeness. At's fit why he mon offer sacrifices for himself, as well as other folk. Nobody talks the honor of being a heek priest on himself, but he's called be almighty till a work, just like Aaron was all. In the same way, anointed didn't a choice for himself as them of being a heek priest. He was honored by the een at said, "You're my loony, is day have I fathered ye." And he says in another bit of scriptures, "You'll be a priest forever, after a house of Melchizedek." Anointed in the days when he was a man, offered up prayers and supplications till the een that could save him for death, roaring and greeting he was, wi' tears talking down his face. His prayers were heard, 'cause he made himself humble. Loony though he might be, he learnt to do what he was told through his sufferings. Sign, when he was proven to be a perfect sin, he come to be a road to everlasting salvation for all them that do what he tells them. And Almighty declared he was a heek priest or a house of Melchizedek. Now, there's a handful of things we'd like to say about this heek priesthood, but it's guy course to put across till you, seeing you're nae all at quick on the uptalk. You should be learning other folk by this time, but you need to learn all over again a very first lesson of Almighty's word. Your eye yet in need of milk, rather nor solid meat. Anybody that lives on milk is a bairnie, just hisna grown up. Solid meat is for them at their old age. That's to say, them that have learnt to work out for themselves fits good and fits ill. And that concludes the day's Scots virtual religious service. Till next time, be heartened, be sealful, and endure till the end.